What is the best 0-calorie drink? I'm recording right now because Matthew and I are having this discussion in the truck on the way home from training about what the best 0-calorie drinks are, and we do not agree. So I want to give you guys a brief history of my 0-calorie addiction. So for probably 10 to 12 years, I was a Diet Coke fanatic. So much so that I would only drink Diet Coke from two sources, and it had to be super cold. Meaning that I would either have to get the regular can, the silver Diet Coke can. I didn't like it from the bottle. I could taste the plastic and it wasn't cold enough. And it had to come fresh out from being really cold, not poured over ice, just drank immediately. And I'll be honest with you, I was probably rocking at the height of those, sometimes, north to 6 to 8 a day, if not more. And I realized I had a problem with them at a certain point because the stimulus of that in my ADHD was that I would drink those, and then at one point I'd be like, I was in my office working, I was like, man, I really need a Diet Coke. I swear to gosh, guys, I looked down and I was doing something when I had this thought. I still had it in my left hand and it was not even gone. And I was like, oh, I'm chaining these. And it's not, I'm so raw to the caffeine stimulus, I can't even absorb it. So just on soda, Matthew, what is your favorite 0-calorie soda now?
Either Cactus Cooler, but this is an occasion. You have to be in Palm Springs.
Okay, it's gotta be like super hot for Cactus Cooler.
Yeah.
That's like a citrus one, right?
It's like citrus, like orange, kind of pineapple.
Yeah.
And for every day, Dr. Pepper Zero.
Okay. So Matthew's 12, so he's got a little bit different taste than me. So Dr. Pepper Zero, we're on that. So winter chicken dinner is Dr. Pepper Zero. So Dr. Pepper Zero is now my favorite diet soda. And of all that, so when I got off of Diet Coke, I moved to White Monster for like 2 years. It's not any better for your body, I'm sure, but I moved to White Monster to have like 2 of those a day. The goat, Matthew says. And I loved White Monster for a long time. Your taste buds can change through the years and that kind of stuff, or depending on like how heavy I've been. I've noticed my taste buds change when I was overweight versus when I was lean. What I like is different now. And then I realized the Monsters were not super great. I was always making comments to me about how not good the Monsters were for you. Usually people that were, not healthy, doing things themselves, but anyway. So I kind of moved back to Diet Soda eventually, but I hadn't found anything I really liked for a while. And it was weird. Once I got off of Diet Coke for a while, I didn't like the taste of it anymore. It was really strange. But the best Diet Coke either came in the silver can or from McDonald's. Because if you don't know, McDonald's would keep their Diet Cokes cold. They put it a few degrees colder, and so when you get it, it's like crispy. It's
actually, there's something else too.
Is it something bad?
No.
Oh, okay, what is it?
They changed the sugar to water ratio.
Oh, so it's a little bit different on the formula?
That's why McDonald's Sprite also tastes better.
Oh, okay. So I really loved Diet Coke when I was on it, but then when I moved to White Monster for a while, then they started to come out with the zeros. And once I tried Dr. Pepper Zero, now this is a weird thing. When you drink a Sprite, it has like a bite to it, it's like very crisp. Dr. Pepper Zero, when it's very cold, is like that too. So I put it over like 2 ice cubes, drink it right away, and that shit is bubbling. It's so cold, it's so frozen, so crispy. I love it. So I drink mostly those during the day. And it's so ridiculous, I drink them with what I call a pop top. And a pop top is a top that you close as soon as you take the drink afterwards, and it keeps all the freshness in there. So it's like just a little bit bigger than a can. If it's 2 ice cubes in there, I take a drink, I pop it back, so every drink is like a fresh drink until it's gone. And I drink those throughout the day a lot of the time, along with water, whatever else I have that day. But we were having a discussion, so you said it's Cactus Cooler, and what if it's not, and Dr. Pepper Zero, what if it's not a soda? What if it's an energy drink? What's your energy drink of choice?
Has to be white or the Rio de Janeiro Monster. I also really like the Sour Bear, you might not know this brand, it was in the gym earlier, Rain.
Oh, I've seen Rain before, but is it carbonated or is it more like a punch?
It's in the middle.
See, I don't like those. I like the one that either a Monster or a Dr. Pepper Zero, where it's tastes like super carbonated. That's what I like. The bite is what I like.
It has the bite, but it has sugar in the bite.
Well, no, but here's the thing. Do you like Orange Monster?
Yeah.
Okay, so Orange Monster is now my jam, and that changed pretty recently too. I was a White Monster for many years. Don't make any jokes out of that or clip that into something else. Not that I was a White Monster. The White Monster drink. That's my jam for anything that's not a soda, and then if it is a soda, it's Dr. Pepper Zero. But we want to know from you guys, what is the best 0-calorie soda for you? And what is the best 0-calorie non-soda, like Monster, or what you call Rain, or like whatever other energy drinks there are out there? What do you think the most common answer will be for diet soda?
Diet diet soda.
Yeah, what do you think the most popular answer will be? I think it'll be Diet Coke. I think it's
have
most
a
common.
Reason for this, but
What?
I don't know if I can say the reason for this on
Well,
the internet.
make it PG.
Taylor Swift fans, most people
Yes.
like Diet Coke. So
Okay,
I would
Diet
say
Cokes. Okay, and then what about for energy drinks? What do you think is going to be the most popular answer?
White Monster. There's no question.
And by the way, there's nothing wrong with Taylor Swift. I like Taylor Swift, so shame on you. All right, keep your opinion to yourself. He's a 12-year-old boy. So anyway, I think that'll be the most common answer. But let me know in the comments, guys, what you say is the best 0-calorie soda and the best 0-calorie energy drink.